You want visible abs, real abs, but you don't want to waste hours in the gym doing random exercises that promise results and deliver nothing. I get it. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're misinformed. The truth is this: building a strong, defined six-pack isn't about doing more exercises. It's about doing the right exercises with the right form and doing them consistently. Today, I'm giving you exactly that. No machines, no gimmicks, no ab blasters sold at 3 a.m. on TV. Just 5 bodyweight exercises that train your entire core: upper abs, lower abs, obliques, deep stabilizers, everything that actually makes your midsection strong, tight, and athletic. If you commit to this routine for 30 days, follow the instructions exactly, and stop making excuses, your core will change. Guaranteed. But there's a catch. Form matters more than effort. Do these exercises wrong, and you're just sweating for entertainment. So listen carefully, train intentionally, and let's find out what you're really made of. Exercise number 1, the plank, the foundation of a powerful core. The plank looks simple. That's why people underestimate it. But done correctly, the plank is one of the most effective core exercises ever created. It doesn't just train your abs, it trains stability, posture, and full body tension. This is the exercise that turns your core from a soft, unstable center into a solid pillar. Here's how to do it right. Get down on your forearms, elbows directly under your shoulders, feet shoulder width apart. Now straighten your body into a perfectly straight line from your head to your heels. No sagging hips, no arched lower back, no sticking your butt up like you're trying to flag down a UFO. Squeeze your glutes hard. Brace your abs like someone is about to punch you in the stomach. Press your forearms into the floor. Now, just hold. At first, 1 minute will feel impossible. Your body will shake, your arms will burn, your core will scream. That's good. Shaking means your muscles are working. Discomfort means adaptation is happening. Don't watch the clock. Don't quit early. Hold the plank as long as you possibly can with perfect form. When your body starts trembling and your abs feel like they're on fire, that's when the real work begins. Breathe slowly, stay tight, earn it. Exercise number 2, bicycle crunches, where obliques are built and excuses go to die. This is not a casual movement. This is not cardio. Bicycle crunches are one of the best exercises for sculpting the sides of your abs, the muscles responsible for that tight, athletic V shape. Lie flat on your back, hands lightly behind your head. Don't pull your neck. Lift your shoulders off the ground. Now bring your right elbow to your left knee while extending your right leg out, then switch sides. But here's where most people mess this up. They rush, they flail, they turn it into uncontrolled chaos. Slow it down. Twist your torso deliberately. Feel your obliques contract on every rep. Control the movement from start to finish. This is not about counting reps. This is about time under tension. You keep going until you reach true failure. Not when it burns, but when you physically cannot complete another rep with proper form. If you're not twisting, you're not training. If you're just wiggling, stop and reset. Quality over quantity, always. Exercise number 3, leg raises. Lower abs, the hardest to build, the easiest to neglect. The lower abs are where fat loves to hide and where discipline shows. Lie on your back, hands by your sides or under your glutes if your lower back needs support. Keep your legs straight, lift them up toward the ceiling. Now lower them slowly. This part matters. Do not let your heels touch the floor. The floor is lava. The floor is cheating. Keep your legs hovering just above the ground, then lift again. This slow, controlled movement forces your lower abs to work overtime. Forget about sets and reps. You go until your legs feel like they weigh 1,000 pounds and your abs refuse to lift them 1 more inch. If you're not fighting gravity with everything you have, you're not doing it right. Exercise number 4, mountain climbers. Core training disguised as suffering. This is where things get uncomfortable and effective. Mountain climbers train your abs dynamically while driving your heart rate through the roof. You're building core strength and conditioning at the same time. Get into a high plank position. Hands under shoulders, body straight. Now drive one knee toward your chest, then the other, fast, controlled, relentless. Keep your hips down. You're a mountain climber, not a dancer. Imagine you're sprinting away from your worst habits, or from a bear. If you slow down, the bear wins. So you move, and you don't stop. Go until your legs burn, your lungs scream, and your body gives out. Collapse with pride. Exercise number 5, the bird dog. The most underestimated core exercise on this list. This one doesn't look impressive, but it's powerful. The bird dog trains deep core stability, balance, and coordination, the muscles that protect your spine and make all other movements stronger. Get on all fours, hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg back. Create a straight line from fingertips to heel. Hold. Keep your core tight. No arching, no twisting. Then switch sides. This isn't about speed. This is about control. You continue alternating sides until your balance breaks and your core starts wobbling. That's your limit. If it feels easy, your form is wrong. How to use this routine. Do all 5 exercises in order. Rest only when absolutely necessary. Repeat the circuit 3 to 4 times. Train this routine 4 to 5 days per week for the next 30 days. No skipping, no shortcuts. One final truth you need to hear. You can train abs every day. You can do everything perfectly. But if your lifestyle is trash, your abs will stay hidden. Eat clean. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. Drink water like an adult. Abs aren't built in the gym alone. They're revealed by discipline. So commit, stay consistent, and stop lying to yourself. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now go hydrate. Your core journey starts today.